Welcome, my name is a CUBOT X20 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, so now that it's off, power key, volume up. And when you see the CUBOT logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. Yep, let go of the power. And there we go. As you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you'll need to use the volume keys to navigate through the menu, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. That being said, from here we can access Android again by selecting Reboot System Now, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the phone. Like I mentioned before, whatever you select, confirm it with power key. And I selected Reboot System Now to leave this so I can go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.